Subscriber get!
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
Subscriber get!
Have you ever had a dream that you had you would you could you'll do you want you could do so you do could you?
Omo, 死んでる。
By now we all know that 6 is afraid of 7 because 7, 8, 9. But did anyone ever think to ask why 7
You're
did
right.
it? Because you need 3 squared meals every day.
Squares! Sorry, gamers. How are you today? It's gonna be chill. I realized that we haven't done any programming
Subscriber
stuff
get.
in a while. Thank you, Snugglewolf! Thank you, Manny, for those bubs. It was muted, yeah. I had to change some stuff cause
Doritos chip, 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 Doritos chip.
Doritos chip. Thank you for that. Yeah, last I had to fix some stuff that I think was Hi Clash! I had to fix some stuff that I think was messing with my connection. So I hope it's better now. We will give it a try. Thank you for lurking, Master I can play. But yeah, today I just want to play with, like... So if you guys don't know, I'm a professional developer. That's my day job. But you know, when you're working at a place, usually you don't step much outside of whatever stuff they're using at work. So I just realized, like, there's a lot of stuff I've never, like, just tried before. So yeah, I was gonna call them Hello World. Just trying out different, stuff. Is this song just, like, the same one over and over again? One sec. If it is, I think I want to change it. Okay. It's the same one over and over again. So one sec. Maybe I don't want to get okay. That should work. I didn't want to get copyright claim or anything. There's music playing, can you not hear it? It's like a little bit quiet, but I think you should be able to hear it. Let me know if you can't. Or if it's too loud. I think it's okay. But yeah, how are you guys doing today? I think the first one I'm gonna play with is Svelte. Usually I work with React. It feels a little bit loud. Okay, I think this is good. Doing good? Okay. What is my wisdom? I don't know if I'm... thank you, Manny! For the 50! For the children! Oh, sorry, my brain is in the way. Maybe I can shift that up today, one sec. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if any of you guys do development or corporate development. It's pretty normal that, if you're not doing stuff outside of your job, there's lots of stuff you never experiment with. Charity. I'm gonna scooch this up to the top. Yeah. Okay. Pew. Glowy things on your head is your brain? No! They're my little ear guys. They're holographic ears. I mean, no! Welcome, everybody! I'm very happy that you are here. So yeah, let's try this. Is there like a starter? I need to like install a starter template. Is it Svelte Kit? Svelte Kit. If you're coming from React, Svelte Kit isn't similar to Next. Oh, okay. I don't need that. I just need Svelte. Getting started. We recommend using Svelte Kit. I guess I could, but I would just do the... Yeah. Okay, I'll just use Vite. I don't need to use Svelte Kit. I don't need a server. I just want to play with it. So we're gonna npm create a Vite project. Yes. We're gonna call it Hello Svelte. And we're gonna use Svelte TypeScript, not experimental. Yes. I don't know why I get those errors. Okay. I need to see if I can like is there a way to say browser debugger. I never have tried to start debugging. Oh, web app. Oops. That's not what I need. What? Maybe I need to open my project. I don't know what is gonna show. One sec. This is the struggle with doing development stuff sometimes. Okay, open this folder. I don't want it to show something that it should not. Back. Okay. Oh. Yeah, probably, right? I don't know. Where did my music go? Ugh. Okay. My music is back. What are you learning? I'm gonna play with Svelte. I've never had the chance to try this. It's like a framework for creating interfaces. It's like if you've ever used React. I think React is probably the most popular one. It's like that. Okay, so let's see what our start. So I want to run npm run dev. And then I think I want to say start debugging. Oh. How do you do this? Okay, one sec. VS Code start debugging with localhost 0. Can you do that? Hit the F5 or start button. Localhost 8000. Subscriber get! Ah! Thank you, monkeys! Bow! Brain rot has me in a chokehold. I've only learned basic JavaScript in my school. Yeah, I do JavaScript every day. Svelte Kit is nice. Yeah, Can we go there? I would use Svelte Kit if I was like making a real project, probably. You know next to nothing about dev stuff, that's okay. We're just here to vibe. Are we about to learn things? Maybe. We'll try to learn. Oh, hi there. Oh, hi. Okay, so select and start web app Chrome. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see. Alright, so I want to start at 5173. I guess. So then I can say launch it. Oh! But I want to see it in... Is it possible to see it in the actual editor? The debugging in editor. I would have figured this stuff out, but I thought I should install the packages and stuff in front of you guys too. Okay, let me see. Debug. Start debugging. Start without debugging. In editor. Can you not? I guess not. Let me switch over to studio mode. What does this sort of program accomplish? It is a code editor. It's called Visual Studio Code. And you can get a lot of nice features for writing code. Like you can get autocomplete. You get some nice like color coding you can see. Let me change the source. Pop-up window. Let me get the right window. Oh, did I stop it? It'll be this one. Hello, Svelte. Chrome. I can't see. Hold on. It's too hard to see. Hello, Svelte. Where? I don't see it here. Automatic. This one. Yeah, okay. So then... Oops. I still need to fix it. It's too big. Why is it so big? Will it always open at that size? I don't want it to. I'll just, like, make it the same size as my other windows. I guess like that. And then... boop. It's gonna bug me. I'll just make it I'll make it smaller. And then center it. Okay. Center. To screen. Get centered. What? Why is it not there? Ah! Transform. Edit Why? Wait, why? It won't let me transform it. What the heck? Oh, okay, there we go. That was weird. There we go. Okay. Maybe that'll work. I don't know, we'll try. We did it! Yeah, I put some galoshes on today. When did you start developing, or when did you know you wanted to do it? I started when I was pretty young. And I wanted to make MySpace layouts. And Neopet layouts. I wanted to make all the customized interfaces and stuff. What is Vite and Svelte? Yeah, so Vite is like, if you've ever worked with like Webpack, it does something similar to that. Let me get like the page. This one is Vite, and this one is Svelte. So Svelte is like a framework you use for making user interfaces. Vite is like a way to host and package and do all your package management and stuff. It gives you like hot reloading, so if you make a change, it'll update right away. So, and then if I changed this, let me go back over here. You guys can't see it. I need a way to like, I guess hide this when I don't need to be looking at it, and then I can switch it back on when I am. I'll try to remember. So we have here. Oh, I don't have the. I guess I will need this extension. It'll give me some color codings and stuff. Yes. I would like that, please. Okay, nice. Might be kind of hard to see. It'll be hard for me to see too. Like React and Angular? Yeah, so, React has a starter that runs on Vite. So, like, Vite is separate from all the frameworks for interfaces. It's like, how would you describe it? How do they describe it? Let me go see what they describe it. It says, the build tool for the web. Yeah, I guess it's a build tool. Yeah, that's how you describe it. But yeah, like Svelte is like an alternative to React. So you can see here, it still does like the reactive kind of state stuff. So yeah, let's go back over here. Says application is composed from components, so same as React. Component is a reusable self-contained block of code that encapsulates HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into a .svelte file. Let me close this. So we have similar to React again, we have like this entry point, the app.svelte file. In here it looks like anything you import like this becomes a variable you can use down here. And components have the capital letter at the front, and then it's kind of like web components or JSX. And some CSS just down here. Yeah. Okay. So any variable it seems like you define up here, you'll be able to use down here. So if I wanted to say, my name is Q. I have to do my little thing to get my U. Or I'll just say Q. That's better. If I do that, and I like to have lines between each of the blocks. So if I do that, and instead of read and svelte, I say my name, and then I check our little application Q. So that's how that works. Oh, you can also put any JavaScript. So you can say to uppercase if you want to. And that will also work. Okay, I understand. Next.
Follow get.
Welcome, Poon Poon! Is this better than CSS and HTML? It's not better. There's always like a right tool for what you're trying to do. There's a lot of times where I think people are using these kind of more opinionated frameworks and everything when they really could just use HTML and CSS. It is the fastest. Having no JavaScript at all would be faster. If you need to have something that like runs really fast and is dependable and stuff, just use like the most basic tools for the job. Like if you need a form that you just submit and it just sends it off to a server, you probably don't need a giant framework for that. You can just use JavaScript and HTML and CSS. Okay. So dynamic attributes. You can use curly braces, you can use them to control attributes. Yeah. So same thing as here, like if I wanted to say, let me get rid of this. We are learning together. I've never used Svelte before, but it seems pretty normal. So here, if I was like, I want this to be a class name instead, I can say my name. And that will give me a div with a class of Q. I don't want that, but... So they make a good point in the docs of like, if you were going to add an image and you don't have the alt on here, it should give me a warning. So it says, buttons and links should either contain text or have an ARIA label, ARIA labeled by or title attribute. image elements should have an alt attribute. Okay, so the reason I'm getting both of these errors is because the alt is the accessible name of an image. And since the only content of this link is an image, and this image doesn't have any accessible name, this link also does not have anything it could consider text or a label. So, it's important to put an alt attribute on elements always, even if it's empty. An empty one means that you intentionally don't have any. Yeah, it says it right here. Omitting this attribute indicates that the image is a key part of the content and no textual equivalent is available. Setting this attribute to an empty string indicates that this image is not a key part of the content and that non-visual browsers may omit it. So it's like saying this is a decorative image. But now this has a problem of like there's no accessible label or title that this link can use. So since this is wrapped in a link, you probably should have a useful alt attribute on it. Let's see. You can use curly braces inside attributes. Oh, cool. Okay, so if I wanted to just put my name in here, that's also allowed, I think. Let me check. I've used FeltKit for a job once. It's a lot like Vue, and I like that. Yeah, Vue is another one that I have not used yet. Is this an opinionated framework? I think on certain things it probably is. I've never used it, so I am also learning about it. How's it going, Crooked Gamer? Hi, Cherim. Backend connections are the slowest. Yeah. Anytime you have to introduce latency, like a network call, it's unpredictable how much time that will add. Okay, I need to do boop. And then I've got too much stuff open. Okay, so I put the alt attribute logo svelte. So on this logo now, you can see it says it's kind of hard to see. Svelte logo Q. Svelte logo Q. So that worked. Let's hide this guy again. Shorthand attributes. Oh, nice. I like this syntax. I usually will use it when I can. I think there are some linters that like have the opinion that you shouldn't use prop shorthands, but I like it better. I don't know. It's like if I'm gonna say, I don't know, alt, and then I'm gonna use the same one down here, svelte logo. You can go just like this, and then I have it repeated. So I can do just this instead of doing this. It's the same thing. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's already kind of small for me. Right here. So instead of doing alt equals alt, I can do just alt. Because it has the same name. I prefer that. Let me go check and make sure that is still cool. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm just looking at it. Yeah. Yep. Okay, looks good. Alright. Styling. It looks pretty big. Okay, good. Alright. Just like in HTML, you can add a style tag to your component. Oh, nice. So this is scoped These rules are scoped to the component. Nice! That's good. So if you guys don't know, that's like one of the main things that makes CSS kind of difficult for people, is that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and the fact that they have cascading rules, is part of what makes it powerful and part of what makes it difficult too. So like, if I was to do... So we have this logo class. Both of these are logos. If I was to say image logo height 7 em, this one has more specificity. So you can see here, selector specificity 010. Because I also included the type of the element, I've made this a more specific rule. So this one gets 011. And you can read about selector specificity here. I'll put it in both chats. So yeah, it's like, you can imagine working on a team with a lot of people. If you're not like careful in setting down standards for how you do CSS, it can get out of hand really fast. The killer's super smart. I feel like I'm normal amount of smart, and I'm just persistent. I have spent a lot of time doing this stuff over the years. Trying saying that 3 times fast. Specificity. One more time, specificity. I'm not good at saying S words anyway. But what they mean by the styling is scoped to the component is that it's something pretty cool. So if I went over to this counter svelte file, and I had... I'm just guessing I'm allowed to do this, I don't know. And I had, let's do a p tag. And I'll say, hello, Q, with you, peace. And over here I was like, paragraphs are always gonna be, lime colored. And then in here I was saying, how did they set it up over here? Oh, okay. I thought they had extra stuff on it. I got suggested different stuff. And over here I was like, P tags are actually hot pink. And then I have some paragraphs over here, some paragraphs over here. So now if I
follow get
at this, 1 sec. Yeah, so now you can see the pink one is only because it's part of this component scope. The green one is because it's the outside scope. And this component is not affected by this rule. I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Welcome, Linguini! I'm glad you could make it. I can tell Q is smart right now because she's wearing glasses. That's what they're for, yeah. I think glasses are cute, but I don't actually wear them. I could probably wear them, but I don't have anything that makes me have to wear them. So I don't know, they just bother me on my face. I wish that they didn't, because I think they're cute. Okay, so you can see here, this rule is not even applied to this component, hot pink. So there's no like cascade where this one's just more specific, but it would be lime otherwise. So if, like here, I'll go take out this hot pink rule. You can see this still is not lime color, because it's not part of this scope. That's good to know. Okay. Are they blue light glasses? Yeah. I've commented, I think, on every video you've made for the last few months. I appreciate the support. It always makes me really happy when I see you guys commenting on my stuff. What's it all for if nobody's watching? When I was a kid, glasses were a different story. But now mine are cute. They sure are. I'm the Chaos Gremlin guy. Oh my god, you are! I understand now. I appreciate it very much. I don't know what happened, but TikTok has gotten really bad at, I don't know if something changed, but I have not been getting, like, any reach on TikTok. So if you haven't seen my videos on there for a while, that's probably why. It's not pushing them for some reason. I'll try to make some clips out of this. Last time I did, like, a programming stream, they did really good. For the Q plot! Can you change button shapes and such? Yeah, so you can style any buttons. Oops, let me hide the... You can style anything with CSS. So if you were like, button... And then it doesn't matter if you don't have like class names or anything, because it's only gonna affect this scope. I like that. So you can say, like a border radius. And that'll make it like a round guy. You can see he's a round guy now. He's almost a circle. It's the recent change of ownership, I bet. Yeah, I think something changed recently. Yeah, it's been weird. It's okay, I will still keep uploading. I still upload my shorts on YouTube as well. And I clip it on Twitch usually. So if you get any of the Twitch clips. It's a specific kind of smart. I don't think I could do stuff like this. I think there are things that your brain is just naturally better at sometimes. But I really don't know that I'm doing anything special. I just put a lot of time into it. And it's something I like doing. Like, if your brain doesn't like doing something, you're probably not ever gonna get good at it. Hi, Kumo! Kumo twins. Took a long time for me to actually use my glasses. Now I can't live without them. Yeah, I can understand that. I don't know, maybe I just have never found the right shape. I like these ones that are like circly. I never have had circly glasses. Very round. I catch everything on YouTube and Shorts. I appreciate it. Yeah, I upload it on Reddit, Blue Sky, YouTube, and TikTok. And then I will clip it on Twitch. So the Twitch ones are the unedited ones, but yeah. Come to think of it, the reach on TikTok has been lesser. Yeah, it has. Although the one with the superb owl did really good. And so many people. There were a lot of people that posted Little Misfortune. I feel like I am obligated to play that game now someday. I was thinking that I would make... If I was gonna try to do 2 streams a week, I would make Wednesday, like, Hello World Wednesday, you know, and we can do this stuff. And then on Sunday, I can play games. So I'll try that if I can. I should play it. Yeah, I have watched a playthrough of it a long time ago now. So I kind of know what happens, but I've never played it myself. It's so silly. I do love her. It's never a bad thing when people compare me to her. I think it's cute. I can kind of see it and kind of not. Like, I think I have the same cadence as she does, like speaking cadence, but I don't have the same accent as her. I wish I could program. I got so many ideas I could generate billions of yens. Whoa! It does feel like a superpower sometimes. I think it's worth it. Off topic, cute feature model. Did you make it yourself or as commission? Need one myself. Yeah, I made it myself. I drew it and rigged it. I've gone through a lot of iterations over the year. Like, at first I had commissioned the art and rigged it myself. I think 3 or 4 models. And then I wanted to draw one myself. So that's what this one is. I drew me. Where is your accent from? Hehehe. You'll never know. It's from the sky, obviously. Where can I see schedule though? I almost missed karaoke's. Maybe in the Discord. I think I posted there only. I should update on Blue Sky too. A genie approaches you. He says you must choose one. Do you want Pokemon or Neopets? I pick Pokemon. I love both of them. Although, as long as Neopets didn't go away, because I learned a lot from Neopets. The accent is from the spider web. That's silly. What are you even talking about? Yeah, my brain doesn't like doing anything. That's fair too. Sometimes you need to recharge your brain, or you can't get anything done. I'm doing good. Just started my first Pokemon Nuzlocke. I was thinking about doing that with Fire Red, maybe. Sam, I know a bit from the lands of webs. She's from Canada. Is Canada the sky? The sky is over Canada, so I guess you're not wrong. Suckabombastus. Exactly. Chaos Gremlin is gatekeeping my happiness. Your happiness depends on where my accent is from. You should find happiness in other things. Okay, I'm getting rid of the silly circle button. Alright, let's get back to this. Okay, so that's cool that you can sculpt it to the component. It'd be impractical to put your entire app in a single component. That's true. And script tag. Yup. Alright, so that's what this is doing. So you're importing the component to be able to use it right here. Very nice. Yep. And it has a P element that styles don't leak in. Component names are capitalized. That's pretty normal. Strings are inserted as plain text. Sometimes you need to render HTML directly into a component. Oh. Okay, so you know how, I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with how React works. If you want to render HTML from a string, you had to do it in a really weird way in React. So like, here's an example. You would go like, I think on a div, and you would say, dangerously set inner HTML. Like, you have to do something, it's super weird. If you were going to say like, I can't remember what the inside part is. Let me just look it up. But it's basically supposed to be like a way for you to know like, hey, you shouldn't really be doing this. Yeah, it's like this. HTML. You know, I think you get the idea. So if you wanted to put like a paragraph tag, hello, you'd have to do it like that. Oh, it doesn't have the underscores. This part has underscores. But yeah, like if you're using a property like dangerously set inner HTML, you're like, whoa there. Maybe I should not be doing this. It seems like they have this step in the docs that's like I'll just call it description. This is some, and I'll put a strong tag. HTML! Strong HTML. Okay. I'm also not used to no semicolons. My prettier does not do that at work. I'm sorry if I throw a semicolon in there. Okay, so we do that, and then we would... Svelte doesn't perform any sanitization of the expression inside the HTML. This isn't an issue if the content is something you trust. If it's untrusted, you have to escape it. Yep. So, do you guys know why you would not just trust rendering this if it was like user input? I need more of the accent. Keep on listening, that's how you'll get more. Fire Red is a perfect first Nuzlocke. Yeah, I think so. I was gonna see if Mr. I Can Play wanted to do like... Did you guys ever watch when Jaden and Alpha Red did, they did a Nuzlocke race to the end? They did it with a randomizer though. That might be more interesting. Wait, 2 people said spiderwebs. I think things are lining up. It's the rumors. You guys are just believing the rumors. I only watch Canadian VTubers. Unless you're from Canada, I unsub. Oh no! Panic. The sky is over Canada. It counts. How are you doing this lovely Sunday day? I'm good. How are you doing, Louise? Kind of JavaScript we making. We're playing with Svelte. It's a user interface framework. Similar to React or Vue. Yeah, I was doing interviews at work and I was realizing like, oh yeah, there still are people that like, I don't know why I made this a let. There's still people that use things other than React. I should be familiar with those things. So that's what I want to do. And I was like, oh, it'd be kind of a fun idea if we did streams every now and again. Where we just like do the hello world. We do like the basic tutorial of some language I haven't used. Like one of them I want to do is is it RenPy? The visual novel in Python. I want to do that sometime in a stream too. So I always trust unsanitized user input. That's how we got into the pandemic. I saw clips of it. Never I make custom HTML CSS websites. They always look a bit different depending on the browser. That was so annoying. Does that happen to others or is it just me? No, that's still a problem. So if you remember back in the day, Internet Explorer was like the one that everyone hated. But it also was the first one to really be doing like things that were more experimental. I think it pushed the envelope a lot. But over time, you had other people start entering the browser market, and Internet Explorer just always lagged behind on implementing the browser specs that everyone else agreed on. So it would always behave differently and unpredictably. And yeah, it was a big problem. And now, kind of Safari has been the new Internet Explorer. Safari does some weird things. I remember that time. I always thought Firefox was bestest. I like Firefox. The worst. Until Chrome. Chrome is the one I always use because it's like probably the most popular one, and when I write stuff I want to test it on the browser most people will see it on. Although I think the most popular browser is probably iPhone Safari, iOS Safari. I don't like Apple that much. But yeah, so if you were to just throw this in here, it won't render. So let me check. It shouldn't render. It should render the tags. Yep. So then I would put the HTML directive, and then it would render it as HTML. But you can't just trust anything if you don't know where this source is coming from. Like if you put it in like I don't know, you just had like it in the CMS somehow, then you probably don't need to sanitize it. Like if you're the one adding it, or you trust people who are adding it. But if it's like a user input, you would need to sanitize this. The way I like to do it is with this little package. It's called DOM Purify. Yeah, this is the one that I usually will use. There you go. If you are curious. RenPy. Yeah, is that how you say it? RenPy? I just thought that because Python. RenPy? RenPy. My mom loves the fox. She thinks that's super cute. It is cute. He's a little circly guy. Heck you, how's Clued life? It's good. How are you, Juvenoya? I'm using Brave. I love its ad blocker. I thought I saw Brave start, like, turning on all this AI stuff, and it made me not want to use it. Is Brave Chrome or Gecko? I think Brave is Chromium still. I'm not sure, though. Okay. So, I'm not gonna do that right now because I would have to install this package and I don't really care to right now. That's cool to know, though. Okay, so now we have state management. I'll just leave that. So, this is state management. So instead of like a use state hook, it's this little $sign guy. And I guess they call them runes. That sounds so cool. I'm working with runes. I'm a wizard. How do you disable those mesh invisible links that cover the page and they're super annoying? Yeah, so like here. I actually do this too. You go to the page. Okay, so like pretend that we have a thing. Here, let me make a thing. I'll do this. No. Oops. I guess. Sure, whatever. Pretend that this is like a guy. Actually, I want to make it even nicer. Yeah. There we go. So pretend like this is one of those things that's like covering up the screen and you can't do anything with it. What is the... I can't remember what it's called. Oh, user select none. There. So if it's like doesn't let you do anything, like oh, these are higher. There. It's covering everything. You can't do anything unless you interact with it. If you hit F12, that opens up developer tools. You see this little arrow dotted box thing? You can usually like select an element that's inside of it, and then try to find like the top ancestor, top of the tree, and just like you hit delete, and then now it's gone. I'm good now that I know the clue is good. Resident Evil Requiem has been my life. Ah! I was watching Mr. I can play it and I was scared. I don't know what it is. I hate zombies. I have always hated them so much. Ugh. Every browser's turning on AI stuff. You're right. I try to vote with my usage or money or data wherever I can, though. Never mind. It's okay. In Firefox, you can completely disable all AI features. Nice. That's good. Firefox is yeah, I did hear that Firefox was doing more stuff too. And to be fair, like, I don't... if it makes sense to have it, I don't really have a problem. Like, I have to use it at work. If I don't use AI at work, I probably would not be able to work there anymore. Like, just being straight up. Or at least was, like, not... I'm still critical about it. But, like, I have to know how other people are using it and stuff. Anyway. So, like, I'm not under any delusion that it's going away or anything. But it just definitely does not need to be in all of the things that it's in right now. Oh crap, please no. Thank you, kill, you're my savior. No problem. I said they gave you the option 2 days ago. Oh, nice. They have to implement AI. The market demands it in order for them to compete. Yeah. I think, it's an annoying time we are living in. Cause it's like, it's in so much stuff that it just does not belong in. Like, there's no need for it. Yeah. Hi, Jake! Zomboys creep me out. Yeah, me too. Bleh, hate it. The only acceptable I is I can play. True! AI is useful. It's just too overused. Yeah. Like, if somebody generates their code, I don't care really, as long as it's right. So, but what I despise is the slop. Like, people think I can't tell. There's things that I can definitely tell that you did not even read this. It's fine under circumstances, but in a browser it's a no-go. Don't want AI to know which sites I visit. Yeah, there's things, it's just, I don't know. It's not worth the squeeze. I'm very against it for generating images and stuff though, and video, and audio. Well, I don't know. Yeah, audio. I'm scared of the misinformation potential when we don't have any rules for it, you know. I think the shareholders demand it more than the market. Yeah, that's true. That's my issue with it. It's in all the wrong things. Yeah, slop is the worst. Yeah! I just don't love Gen AI being shoved in my face in every single app and program. Yeah! Like, I don't need... I don't need AI in my, like, messaging app. I don't need that. Browsers are already collecting everything they can. Yeah, true. I inspect elements and steal images from sites where you buy sheets for pianos. I may have done that a time or two for some trumpet sheet music. Wait? Is this still the same video? Oh, yeah. You need AI and toasters and electric toothbrush. Yeah, I need an AI fridge. There's no way that my food will stay fresh without AI. Hello, Spider. I'm taking a very important test tomorrow. Please wish me luck. I'm so nervous. I will wish you luck from a non-spider perspective. I can't wish you luck as a spider because I'm not a spider. But you'll do fine. If you're worried about it, it means that you're caring enough, you know? You'll do fine. If you were like, oh my god, it's the day of the test and I totally forgot to study for it, then it might be a problem. AI socks, what do you think? Do you mean like, Mr. I can play socks? Or like, what would an AI sock do? Measure the stinkiness? Keep my food fresh, make no mistakes. AI in fridge, that sounds alarm when the milk goes sour or the kitchen is about to run out. It won't stop until you buy new milk. Oh, that's my hell. Anyway, let's do some state. So we already have this thing that they're talking about. This is so cool though that they call it runes. I forgot to hide this. Runes. I am crafting runes. Deep state. We have the deep state. State reacts to reassignments but also reacts to mutations. Okay, got it. So we can have an array. Let's do... Why don't they use let for everything? Is there a reason? I try not to do that, but I don't know if that's the same here. Cuties is an array, while do state with an initial array of many. Last draft, Juvenoia, and unicorn. Okay, those are the initial cuties, okay? Then, when we click on the button, we'll say add, append cutie. Add cutie. I don't know. We're gonna do this. And we're gonna say cuties push. I need to make more cuties. Let's say more cuties is just another array. And we'll put juice box. And David. And Stuart. And Totaku. And I'm copying your name, Luis, because it's too long. No, just put Luis. There, okay. If I didn't put you in the thing, don't worry. Just say
Subscriber get.
Oh, I'll put Smo too. If I missed you, don't worry, I'll add you. Just let me know. Thank you, Smelly! I'm a cutie with the case of the tooties. A cutie patootie, if you will. Yay, I'm in the list! I want to put everyone in the list. Oh, yes up. Let me put yes up. Yes up. And... Okay. I think there's... If I missed you, please let me know. I'm sorry. Alright, so now we'll say... What do we get? Proxies. Okay, so we have here... So this is like an immutable... This is immutable. This is a proxy to that. So it's not mutating that. So... We can say... Current index is... cuties length. I'm sorry. I'm not used to not semicolons. Format. Oh! Yeah. Oh! Nice! Okay, that's better. I had not formatted in a while. So, we want to get the current index. I kind of want 2 states, right? Yeah, I would want 2 states. So I'll say index. I'm not really caring. I'm just playing around with this, okay? So I don't want that. I want cuties push. So I want index. Can I do that? Wait.
Follow get.
Can I do that? Yes, I can. Thank you for following, David. We are Legion. We are cutie patootie. Oh, I can't see who followed on YouTube. I'm sorry. You can't change it? Oh, your name, you can't change it? She got me cute. Sounds like he was doing some magic. Biggest of luck, yeah! That's a profile name for the account and use it. Do you want me to call you, Marshall? Sorry if I said it wrong. Cannot understand. Oh, you are right. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so then I would say... I want to push... Next cutie is... the more cuties. Oops. Cuties. Index. And then... push the cutie. And then I will say... I don't want these anymore. I want to add cutie. And I want to say... cuties. I'm gonna do that up here. And then I'll say... become a cutie! That will be our call to action, as it were. Cutie. I'll use proper capitalization. Alright. I don't know if it works like that. If next cutie doesn't exist, we'll just return. Sure. I never got used to this shortcut because I don't like it. Shift Alt F. Ah! There. I should just get used to it. Okay, let's see. What did we do? What have we done? Oops. Did I save it? What? Do I need to refresh it? Oh, okay. This is some HTML. Alright, so we have these cuties. Let's add another cutie. Oh my gosh, it's David. Ah, Stuart. Yay, look at all these cuties. Woohoo. Okay, and then once they're all gone, then there's no more cuties. Nice. Oh, but this is bad. We would want to say... here. And then we only want to increment it actually if there is a cutie. It's not that big of a deal. Nice. Look at all those cuties. I had to grab a snack while we're learning. That's okay, it's important for brain power. Now that you said that, I will look into it. That's okay. I think it's in the edit channel. That would be strange to put it there. But YouTube is old and probably is doing a lot of weird stuff. Lots of cuties! Yes! Also, if I ever call you by a name that you don't want me to call you by, just correct me and I will remember. I will force myself to remember. Okay, so we did that. I don't know if this is a very good way to do it, but whatever. It's just like, what I could do... if I was gonna make this better... it's fine. Probably. I guess, like... I forgot I was covering it up. It is bound to happen once more. I think the song changed. One sec. Oh! It literally just changed. Let's try to listen to... Wii channel. Default Wii channel music. Yes! This is what I'm talking about. Hey, I was just listening to that. Ah! I want to be known as Lord of Awesome. Alright. No more Stuart. Only Lord of Awesome. Bop, bop, bop. Is this too loud? It probably changed the volume because it's a different video. Alright. So then we'd say index is next. Index. Sure, why not? Alright. What else we got? Deep reactivity. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Derived. You'll need to derive state from other state. Oh, that may be what I would do here. We could use this in our markup. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, okay. So, what we could do, if we wanted to move this, we could do displayed cuties is derived from cuties join, and then use that instead. And I assume this is like memoized. I guess I can assume that. Should be free of side effects. Derived state. One that depends on other states. Oh, well... yeah, I think that's fine. Hi, party boy! My week was good. How about you? I was not feeling so good last Sunday, so sorry I missed it. But we had fun on Wednesday. I want to do... I just feel like I can't... I don't like making clips out of my karaoke. I'm too embarrassed. So whenever I do a karaoke stream, I still have to do a different kind of stream if I want to make any clips. But it was fun. I want to do more karaoke's. Yeah. Hi, Myth Nerd! It's good. How about you? I've got some coffee. Late night coffee cloud. Num num num. Alright. I think that makes sense. Wah! I have been cheesed, my friend. right onto my glasses. What you making? So I had this idea for some streams that will keep on doing. It's like a stream theme. I want to collapse that. Yeah, okay. So I thought it would be fun since I've been doing like interviews with people lately. I've been realizing that I've been like kind of stuck in whatever stuff I'm ending up having to use at work and not really like experimenting with things. And so I thought it'd be fun to have like a stream theme of Hello World, where I just like play with stuff that I've meant to play with, like frameworks that I've never tried. And that's what we're doing today. I'm playing with Svelte. It's a JavaScript user interface framework. Is it playing the song forever? Photo channel. Did you guys ever play this stuff on the Wii? I remember I really liked the Everybody Votes channel. It's fun. Yeah, that's what we're doing. 10 times fast. Wait, which part? Oh yeah, don't forget, you guys. You guys are always amazing with the charities. We are running a charity campaign for the children. Manny already donated. You're not gonna just let Manny be like the best person ever, are you? I put semicolons. I have to fix my grave mistake. I don't have prettier. Wait, okay. Shift, Alt, F. No! Shift, Alt, F. No! Wait, oh. My formatting is putting it there. Well, that's fine. I don't mind. I'm not a semicolon hater. Are you guys a semicolon hater? That song brings back so many memories. Yeah! Oh, thank you, Agape. We trigger so many childhood memories. It's a good system. The one that is the most nostalgic to me is the GameCube. I think that's my favorite system. But I love the aesthetic. If I could, like, make all my stream stuff the Wii aesthetic, it just would work, wouldn't it? That's how that song sounds on my head in repeat. Pop, 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 pop. And the Wii Sport theme song are timeless classics, yes. Agree. Do you know how big a difference 1 million and 1 billion is? Yeah, it's crazy, right? The billion is almost unfathomable. Kyo is the amazest for doing the charity. No! Jake is amazest for donating to the $10 to the Gamers Outreach Children. Thank you. 1 million seconds is 11 days. 1 billion seconds is 31 years. Oh my god! Isn't it crazy? Yeah. Nintendo buff. I do love Nintendo. Alright. Thank you, Jumanoya, for the $5 for the children. For the children. You guys, we're at 630 of our campaign. This first campaign of the year. And we're only on month number 3. It's March now. That's weird, right? Oh yeah, next. We did a stream last year for Mario Day, March 10th. I feel like we should do something for that. Should I try to beat Luigi's Mansion? That's what we did last time, I think. Was that last? No, that wasn't even last year. That was I've lost all sense of time. Go gamers! It's your birthday. Gonna party like it's your birthday. Derived state. Alright, inspect state. Oh, snapshots. Useful, we'll track piece of state as it changes. We can use inspect rune to log a snapshot of the state. Oh, okay. With... Okay. Sticky draft for the $5 for the children. Let's go. I hardly beat any game, so I always feel like I should go back to ones I've already played. March has a jillion games coming out. Pokopia! I forgot! Play my voice too. I meant to do that too, yeah. Oh my gosh. I have so much to do. I do absolutely need to play the voice zoo though. You are so right. Alright. We want to inspect our kitties and index. Can I do both of them? Oh, no, that means something else. Oh wait, does it? One or more values. Oh no, that's fine. Okay, let's check. Is this one too loud? It feels louder. I beat an easy delivery call. You're right. I really liked that game. I hope that a lot of people played that game. Oh yeah, look at this. Can we, like... Does it have to be a state value, or can I, like, do this? Let's try it, why not? Oh, yeah, I can do that. Alright, so... It changed. It was 4, then it's 5. Wait, 1? Oh, so my index changed first, and then my... Okay. That's what I was wondering. I don't know if it's... Oops, I forgot to show it. So every time I push it, it will log a new one. So my index changed, and then my array. That is interesting. I think you would not want to change both of them in one handler, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's fine. Okay, volume's still fine. Okay. Easy Deliver Call is one of my fave games of last year. Me too! I hope that game did well. Okay, very interesting. Effects! I don't like effects. What? So far we've talked about reactivity in terms of state, but that's only half the equation. State is only reactive if something is reacting to it. Otherwise, it's just a sparkling variable. What's a sparkling variable? Thing that reacts is called an effect. You've encountered effects, the ones that Svelte creates on your behalf to update the DOM. Your response to state changes, but you can also create your own with the effect rune. Alright. So if we wanted to... Interval elapsed. Oh, okay, so you can change state inside of an effect. Usually you don't want to do that in React, so that's different. Okay. Let's think of what to do to test this. They have an interval. What should I make it do? It could be a timer. Yeah, I guess. Let's just show a little guy on the screen with a timer. Time elapsed. And then it'll be elapsed. I know I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff in this one component. Alright, so we have elapsed is a state variable of nothing at first. Then we have the interval, which is also a state of... Oh, I guess this is like the duration of the interval. So then you have an effect, and that is a function. And here... Can I do this? Oh, it's an interval. It's fine, I guess. It's an interval. I would usually try to clean that guy up, though. Interval. And then we'd say... elapsed. I don't know why they did it this way instead of like this. Okay. Let me change this to... I'll say... +1. Oh, speed up button. Oh, that's why they put this in state. So they want like this. Oh. Alright, they did like this. A button that will set the interval. So, set interval. Oops, that's already a thing. This isn't a good name for it. Duration, I guess. Or speed. Speed. Set speed. Oops. Yeah, that's fine. And here we do speed is wait, I'll say increase speed. We do this. And wait, accelerate. And decelerate. Wait, is that right? Now that I look at that, that's weird. Is that how you spell it? Oh well, that's how I'm spelling it. Decelerate. And then we'll have this. And this one will be speed. And then this one will be... no speed! And then that is a decelerate. Alright, that's fine. Elapsed. Yeah. Okay. So... now... oh, you guys didn't see that the whole time. I'm sorry. Here's what I did. I did, elapsed speed. Speed is 1 second at first. So every 1 second, it'll add 1 to this. And they can hit on this button to go twice as fast, or this button to go twice as slow. That's what it does. Go back here and we go speed! And then it'll go faster and faster and faster. It looks weird. We should console log with our inspect speed. Okay. Yeah. Speed. After that game, I have this idea in the back of my mind of making a delivery game, but it's a clue to girl riding a scooter. That's me! Oh my gosh. Wow. Speed max. Alright. Now we are here. Speed 2000. Speed 4000. Speed. Wait. Other way around. Oops. Other way here. I mixed these two up. That's why it got slower. Alright, now... doop. fast. Speed. No speed. No speed. Why? I think I made it get too many updates. And now it has to go through all the frames. No speed. Uh-oh. Well, we did not exactly put any guardrails in, did we? That was too much speed. Sippy. I'm gonna sip my coffee. It's moving. Oh my god, they're sharing too much. I didn't do anything that amazing. 27. Oh yeah. I heard that the spider game has new levels. I need to do the spider game again. Alright. It's fine. It doesn't need to be perfect. Who needs guardrails when you can go light speed? Doesn't it keep increasing each second? Even if you reduce the speed, it will keep increasing. That's true. But it should be based on this. Which, if this changes... Oh, this is why. Because I thought this might be the case. So you need to clear the interval. So we say this, and then we return a cleanup function, just like in React, where we say clear interval. That'll happen anytime that we have this effect rerunning. This is almost the same as React. I don't know why people have such strong opinions. I shouldn't even start that argument. Thank you, Mother Valentine, for the $15 for the children. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Wow. Big. Alright, ready, you guys? I remember this. Okay, now we go faster. Faster. Speed. Slow down. We did it! So that was the problem. Basically, it kept making more new intervals. Because there was never a cleanup function. That's what happens. Make sure you clean up after yourself. Cleanup function is called immediately before effect function reruns, when the interval changes, and also when the component is destroyed. If effect function doesn't read any state when it runs, only run once. Huh. There are some tiny little things they made nicer, but... we used runes to add reactivity inside components, but you can also use runes outside components. Oh... The normal counter components are all importing the counter object from shared layers. Wow. Welcome, ghostly strawberries. Whoa. Ghostly strawberry. Wait, that reminds me. There was one night where Fam and I we were playing Neopets. Or I was playing Neopets. And I found this really funny guild. I need to find it. One sec. I'd have to sign in. Okay, wait. I have to check on my phone, okay? Alright. I'm going to my Neopets user lookup. This is what it was. Okay. I don't know why this reminded me. I found this guild that was amazing. It was called Cursely Kitten riding the midnight strawberry. And it's all in one word. And the description of the guild is, the two greatest things come together at last. The content of the description on the page is, if you are a fan of either Cursley Kitten or strawberries, this is the guild to join. The Webby is blocked. The midnight strawberry only exists through the night, and yet it still gleams without fright. Only the chosen one can ride if they prove their pride and join in the magic too. And I was just into it. I joined that guild. I'll have to share the picture that's in that guild. Actually, if you guys play Neopets, you can find my account and just go look at that guild. Had to get glasses on a cloud. Well, you know. Yes. What? That's a wild name I'd be into too. Yeah, it was like this. It was like Cursley Kitten riding the midnight strawberry. Wait, I have to check the casing. Cursley Kitten riding the midnight strawberry. Yeah, it was like this. Isn't that amazing? So, I was like, you know what? I'm for it. I will join your guild. You've convinced me. But one day we should just like we should just go through all the random guilds. Cause I was doing that with fam and we were losing our minds. It was so funny and fun. It's like a time capsule. If you guys haven't done that, I encourage you to. Alright, counter components are importing the counter object from shared. Oh, okay. So, it's normal object. You wrap it in a state, causes an error because you can't use it in JS files, only Svelte files. Okay, so you can have global state. They just have it in like a shared thing. I guess I will do that. Shared Svelte TS. Right? TS. Yeah. And then we will move our counter guy there. Export const counter state. Count 0. Shift Alt F. I need prettier, I guess, just for this one. Cause it's a Svelte TS, so it's not a Svelte. So it's like a JSX versus JS thing, I guess. And then over here, we can just do... We can import... We aren't even using the counter anymore. Whatever. I also can just go like this. I don't know, I have this thing where I don't like extra braces unless I need them. There's some people at work that hate that I do that. But also that means that you return it, so you gotta be careful. Nom. I guess it's fine. We can still just use the counter from there. Import counter from... Oh, is this not how you do it? What was it? Import from... Yeah, what the heck? From... Oh, I needed to go up a folder. And then we can say... here. I'll just to test it out. Counter. Add 1. Why can I not? Oh. I need to... yeah. Oops. There we go. You're not assigning because it's an import. Oh, because it's also a constant. Oh, counter... count. Oops. There we go. Shift Alt F. I will never get used to that because it's a dumb shortcut combination. Alright. So I need to change the text. Increment. I know I'm putting all this stuff in this file and I shouldn't be, but it's fine. Counter count. Count. Shift Alt F. No. Why does this happen to me? Okay, so now it's global state technically, but I'm not using it anywhere else. So cool. I think I get the idea. Oh my god, the cloud is working on the computer! That's me! The computing cloud! Cloud computing. Did you guys ever get that? That was like part of the reason that I am the way that I am. Wow, love that my name brings memories. Yeah, it's a good name. Show, 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 show. Nice. Props. Dealt exclusively with internal state. Need to pass props though. Props. Oh, okay, okay. So this is the way props work. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. If you've worked with React, you can also do this. No problem. So here we'll say strawberry. And this will be true. And here we'll say... You know what, actually, let me make a new component. Cursory kitten. It's just so amazing. And then we'll say script link ts, and we'll say strawberry is props. And how do we type props? That's what I want to know. I don't think that they will tell me. Nested answer 42. 42. Props, default values, yup, makes sense. So, but if I set a default value, then I guess it will know the type, right? Let me save that. And then we'll go back over here and we'll say cursory kitten. Does that automatically? Yep. So then, if I want it to be strawberry time, it does know that it's Boolean. So then, the if strawberry. Wait, no, I want it to be midnight. Midnight. Is it midnight? That cursory kitten is riding the midnight strawberry. Midnight. If it is midnight, then we want to say cursory kitten is riding the midnight strawberry. Otherwise, cursory kitten is sleeping. Oh, welcome, Bunny! From the YouTube chat. Props are used in comedy, not coding. Coding is hilarious. Can't you tell? Just look at what I'm doing right now. This is pure hilarity. Alright, what do you guys think? Is Cursley Kitten going to be riding the Midnight Strawberry? Let's see. We gotta see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Cursley Kitten is riding the Midnight Strawberry. I knew it. Okay, anyway. I have to find the fun things in life. In this exercise, we forgot to pass the name prop expected by package info. Oh, this is like their own example. Since the properties of package correspond to the components expected props, you can spread them. Yeah. So like if you know how React does the prop spreading, you could do like this. You can say midnight true. I have trailing commas in my regular code base. And you can spread them like that and it'll still behave the same way. Boop! You can see? He's still riding the Midnight Strawberry. If I pass false there, it will say he is sleeping. He cannot be riding the Midnight Strawberry when he is sleeping, you fools. But yeah. Okay, cool. You can destructure out of props, yep, or not. If. Oh! This is kind of like, this is kind of handlebars-y. Do you guys ever use handlebars? Let's find out! Yeah, so you can go like this too. If midnight, and then you do like a if thing like this. So if you had a bunch of different things you needed to do, I'm trying to think of what I would do. Could you do this with CSS? Like, can you say this? I think no, right? This wouldn't work in here. No. But you could do like this, right? You could say color blue. Oops, nope. Whoa, I think something is not gonna work here. Alright, well that's fine. I don't know what's preferred. I like this better, but we can just move it. You know? I guess then you don't have them as strings, you just have them as regular elements. I guess like this? Oh, you need a thingy here. Boop! And then like this. Opens a block, closes a block, continues a block. Alright! Now let's go check. Should be pretty much the same. Yep. Nice. Jump. On my bike? Now I want strawberries. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I want like strawberries and whipped cream. I haven't had that in a long time. I did find a whipped cream I can have. Like, I found like a Cool Whip. I found like a coconut Cool Whip. And then I found like a spray whipped cream. That is also coconut, I think. I'm glad that I like coconut. Can you imagine how much it would suck if you were lactose intolerant and you didn't like coconut? I also have coconut yogurt. Yeah, that would suck. I can't understand the simplest things. Aren't confectionaries just bread? There's a point where bread loses all crisp and becomes a cake. And butter turns to cream. And life turns to death. And the universe fades. Clode whip. Cool whip. Well, this is fun. I like doing this. You can change if conditions. I don't really care to right now, but you can go like this. If true. And then you can say like else. And then blah. Like that. That's good to know. I do not have such a complex condition right now. We have our eaches. Alright, so let's do this. Cutie, svelte. This is now you guys are a component. And I'm gonna take out these ones. And yeah, get rid of this, get rid of this. Okay, then I'm gonna, instead of doing them joined like this, I am going to do a loop. So I'm gonna say each cutie, cuties as cutie, and then each. Sometimes that thing pops over what I'm typing and it's annoying. We're gonna do a list. So we need on the outside this. And we're gonna say, do I need a key? Expression colors. I just want to display cutie. I'm pretty sure it's a string. Yes. Alright. Format. Now it'll be a list. Oh, I didn't render it anywhere yet. Let me get rid of it in here. This sounds so dramatic. It is dramatic. This is a very dramatic moment in your lives. For all of the cuties of the world. Cuties. Oh, I should rename it. Cuties. And I will import it. Alright. Let's see what has happened. Now you guys are in a list. It's an ugly list, but it's your list. Bing, 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 bing. That's annoying. We should put the button up top so that it does not layout shift on us as we're clicking it. What do you think? Very nice, right? Pshong, pshong, pshong. Blessed are the cuties. Somehow I was blessed with 0 allergies. That is blessed. Bless you. No Reese's for them. You know, that would be also very sad. Did I tell you guys that now I can have Reese Pieces? I am sorry. I unabashedly... No, I'm not sorry. I unabashedly love calling them Reese Pieces. And I will never apologize nor back down. Now that I can eat them, Reese Pieces do not have milk in them. So now I can have them. They're so tasty. I love Reese Pieces. I will just get the serving size, which is 38 Reese Pieces, by the way. The serving size is 38 pieces. I will just get them on a napkin and I will just snack on them for 2 hours. Cause I'll just suck the shell off of it. Is that gross? Maybe. But it's good, you should try it. Also, then after you're done eating them all, then you get your mouth kind of hurts. It's really fun. Are you coming from React before this? Yeah. Yeah, usually what I do is React. Color variable. Button. Can get the current index. Oh, okay. We can get the index right here, but we have a conflict on the name. thank you for the sub, Kinder. Welcome back. Gross. Here's a subscribe. Ew, gross. I'm glad my disgusting racy-pacey habits have earned me another snum sniper. Thank you for 6 months, gamer. Not gross. I mean, it's food. What else do you do with food? It goes in your mouth. Who cares what happens to it after that? I changed my scrolly wheel for a second. Usually we'd be more careful about names, because now if I wanted to use index down here, that would mean something else. So you gotta be careful of scope. Scope seems kind of ambiguous in svelte. If you're not careful, that is. Hello, Sawaya! Kyote Pope. Alright. More index. I'll name it that. More index. And then this is sculpt here, so that's fine. Okay, so if I wanted to use an index here, which I don't know if I would, but you know what? Yeah, actually I will. So we'll say QT number, and then we'll say index +1. Yeah, it's fine. Just to play with it. QT Pope? But it's not my fault. Twitch said it, not me. I was just reading what Twitch told me. It's not my fault. Please forgive me for such vulgarity. So there you go. Oh wait. Is QT number? Pew! Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. I think you get the idea. Alright. Oh, style. I don't know about that. I don't think I would do that. Updating the value of each block will add or remove DOM nodes at the end of the block. If the size changes and update the remaining DOM, that might not be what you want. Remove first thing. Apple. Oh! Oh! I see. They made it like this. Should I just copy this? I think that'd be easier to see. Ding. Huh. This might seem strange because you're used to the entire component re-rendering. Yeah. Svelte works differently. The component runs once and subsequent updates are fine-grained. I see. Emoji, a derived value. Makes more sense to remove the first thing component altogether. A unique key. Yeah. Okay, that's where I was wondering if they would have a key. Okay, so as QT, and then I would want the QT as the key though. Oh, so this is only a problem if using a string is safer. Does it not use this as the key by default? Thing.id. I guess it would, right? Like, I don't need to do this if it's just a flat array of strings. But if these were objects, then I would need to. DOM nodes. Inside that is a name proper. Emoji is a constant. Okay, I think I get it. What are you developing? I'm just playing with a framework that I have not tried before, which is called Svelte. How dare you talk the poopy talk. Sometimes you gotta. It's an entirely natural thing to happen to cuties. We're in the system. Hacked! Since this is ugly, we can do this. I guess you can use less or sass. But only cowards don't use regular CSS. I don't know why it's oh, you guys can't see it. There we go. I want this. Maybe. Nope. Maybe. Ah! There, I guess that's fine. Alright, so I get that much. Yeah, let me just get this example so we can all see it. Groceries. Groceries. I'm copying this from the... Oops. Copying this from the docs. Name is updated when prop changes, but emojis is fixed. Oh, so it warns... Oh, never mind. This is because it's, This needs to be... Name... Things... Name is a string. Can I do this? Why can't I? Complex binding power patterns. This is a... Oh, I'm not in a TypeScript. Oh. Okay. I get it. I forgot that I had to do this. I don't remember what the syntax is. This. Okay, there we go. String can't be used. Key of emojis. Type of emojis. Can I do that? Yes. Is only the... Hi? Captures only the initial value. Oh. Yeah, I think that's fine for right now. Okay, and then over here they have... Oh, this is just a grocery. Grocery. And then this is a groceries. Svelte. Okay, and then I need this. And then I want to call it grocery instead. Groceries. Groceries. It's starting to not feel like a word. Grocery. Okay, this will be satisfies. I could put it in a type if I cared, but... Do I care? I don't know. Not really. Apple, banana, carrot, donut, egg. I guess I care. Can I just do this? I guess so. Can I? TL type of emojis import. Oh. Can I not? I guess I cannot. Import. Nope, it's fine. I guess I would put this in a place. In a regular place. In a shared place, as it were. And then I will just import it. Type. I don't want it as a type. And then same one here. Boop. Satisfies ID numbers, names, key of type of emojis. It does satisfy that. Oh, it's an array. It does not satisfy. Snickers satisfies. It's stupid o'clock where I'm. Good night, Kinder Bear. Well, thank you for I always say your name wrong. I'm gonna call you Kinder. Yeah. Thank you for coming and re-snubbing. Have a good sleep. Glossary. The glossaries as it were. The song selection is so internet cloud girl coded. I know, right? I feel like the Wii is so my aesthetic. These are all songs from the Wii default channels. Alright, so the thing they're trying to describe, I guess, is if I render groceries down here, I will go look at my... Let me change this also to a list. This sounds gleeby. I love it. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Okay, now it's a list. It's an ugly list, but it's my list. List style none. Okay. Maybe I want this the same as this. Hold on a sec. I did it in the Qt's CSS. This one. Okay, there. So now we have these groceries. This will be a problem, cause look. If I remove this, it'll end up saying banana is apple now. Apple is banana. This is not true. Apple is not banana. Banana is not carrot. Apple is not carrot. Banana is not donut. Are you crazy? Have you ever had the choice between a banana and a donut? It is not the same thing. Carrot does not equal egg. The reason that this is happening is because you need a key here, it seems. So, whoop. Grocery. So we have this. And then the way you say what the key is like this. Grocery ID. So now if I open it again, it will be correct. Banana is banana. Carrot is carrot. Donut is donut. All is as it should be in the world. Fruitager arrow. That's me. Yeah. My brain is splitting just looking at that list. The donut list? The ones with the ones that don't match? Apple is apple. There's no two ways about it. Wii is gleeby. I think so. Don't you guys think the Wii looks like what we thought alien technology would look like? Gleeby. Okay, we are here at Promises. Promises! Await promise. I will wait for you. Ooh. Svelte makes it easy to await the value of promises directly in your markup. That seems... I need to get used to that, because it seems like I would not necessarily love that, but it's fine. I also have a problem where I need to alphabetize everything. Unless it takes priority. I do that. I know it is just a me thing. Supporting nerd! I can see that. Future was way cooler in the past, right? Await stream end. That will be soon. Probably. Oh yeah, it's already about that time. We'll do this last thing, okay? Let me close this. Alright, so I'm going to make a promise to the cuties. I will do... Let me think. I could instead... trying to think of what to do as a test. If you know your promise can't reject, only the most recent promise is considered. Oh, okay. Brrr. Roll. Let's do this. D20. D20. We're gonna do script length yes. And we're gonna say click. This always cracks me up too. If you know about Mr. I Can Play, there's this event called Can Play. On Can Play. It always catches me off guard. On click. And we'll say roll. Here we'll say roll. Also roll. Oops. Type button. I always put a type on my buttons because if I accidentally put them in a form, they default to submit. And that's bad. If you don't want it to submit. It's not just a you thing. I alphabetized too. Oh, good. I'm not alone. I got the job, everything was going well. Then a month ago, my boss went crazy with AI stuff and I was fired. No, I'm sorry, Horgian. There's so much garbage happening with the AI stuff lately. Don't worry though, there's still hope. We're in the worst timeline. Yeah, I kind of agree with that. Sorry to hear, but yeah, it happens to thousands of workers currently. I think I explained it a while back. There's definitely things that it is not so good at, and I would recommend focusing on those things. It's like, if you can become really good at like code reviews, or if you're a front-end developer, I think that becoming an expert in accessibility is still really useful. Becoming a security expert is really useful. But take the time that you need to. It's never easy to be fired. The job wasn't that good, but it paid the bills. That's a good way to look at it. You'll find something definitely better. Oh, thank you for coming, Samaya! I hope you have a good sleep. Stream has been so enjoyable. I don't want it to end. Don't worry. We'll always be back next time. Okay, so we need a state with... Oh, yeah. This will be async. And we'll say... Actually... Start roll. This one would be like... This one would be roll. This one would be start roll. And that will return... Oh, this is weird. Promise. Oh. Okay, this is a weird syntax. I'll do cons. Promise is a state with just calling roll. This one is promise equals roll. Oh, and then to not make it possible. That's weird. And then in here... we'll need to do a little bit of a timeout guide to fake it. This reminds me of Mario RPG! Oh, now it doesn't. At least I said they're paying me severance. I was working as a contractor, so that wasn't on the contract. Well, that is a bright side, definitely. Yeah, like I get up in 5 hours. Oh no! You'll have a great day at work tomorrow. Don't worry, but you probably should get some sleep. I also have to work tomorrow. I gotta deal with some stuff. You know how it be. There's some stuff. Okay, I'll just say... return a new promise, and it'll be resolve reject. In their example, they have a set timeout and like this, and then the little delay guy will have a random flaky. Oh. Is flaky. Math random is less than 0.3. That's how flaky we want her to be. And then we'll have a this become like a 0, I don't know. F is flaky. Then we're gonna reject the promise and we're gonna say nat 0 sad face. Shift Alt F. Nope. I don't know why I'm so bad at that. Nat 0. That's me. Oh wait! Is my thing is not working? One sec, let me try it again. Math. Where is my math? Math. Does it not work? There it is. Sorry, I don't know why it's so flaky like that. Stream is simply too cozy. A stream you can fall asleep to. How are you liking spells? I do like it, actually. But I don't have a strong preference of any over the other. I just want to be able to work in any of them. And also I want to be able, like, usually for interviewing people, I don't want to have it all hang on them knowing a specific framework or anything. Like, if you know how to do one of these, I think you can kind of pick up any of them. So if I can get used to this enough to, like, make interview examples that they are, like, more comfy with, that's what I would like to do. I don't remember what this is from. Is this the Everybody Votes? Or is it something else? 118. Everybody Votes. I knew I recognized that one. Resolve with... the value, which will be... for it... random... times 20 plus 1. Oops. Yeah. And that will be our dice roll value. Okay. And this is how long it takes to time out. Alright, so now this will be start roll. Promise. So here we'll say await promise. I'll call this rolling. I think that's better than promise. Follow get. Welcome! Chill Cogs! Thanks for the raid. What were you guys doing? What you working on? I'm learning Svelte. I've never tried to learn Svelte before, so... I'm usually, pretty used to working in React, so it's kind of similar. What is Raiders of the Cuties? The Cuties are my followers. If you join us, you can be a cutie too. What are you guys up to? Yeah, you guys are raiding the cuties. But yeah, I like this. Follow get. Oh, thank you for following, Jail. Working on a project called... It's a mystery. Trying to build an index of all Ruby events. Ooh. Significant stream delay? Oh no. I don't know if that's on my side or not. Actually, I've been having stream problems lately, and actually it seems a lot better today. I think what I did fixed it. Number. What did they call number? Then number. Promise. Oh. Await rolling. Then value. I'm trying to figure out where they define number. Wait, promise. Then value. And then okay, I see. That's kind of weird. Error. Oh wait. Okay. So here we'll say error. Here we'll say you rolled a value. And then here we'll say rolling. I guess I don't need a tag in all of these. I just need it around the outside. Oops. Shoop. Do I need it? If I don't, that's fine. Alright. So we can see nat 0. I could also do the value first. It's fine. This is just to play with it. It doesn't have to be legit. Boop. Alright, so we don't have this rendering yet. Go back here. Up. apple. Apple. I'll do it right here at the top. D20. Okay. Now... Oops. Did this happen already? Was I so unlucky? Okay, one sec. Alright, so now we have this button roll. And it does... Oh no, not 0. 3. 13. 18. 16. 3. Okay, nice. So here we can even do... If value is 20, then we can say not 20, smiley face. Else. No, I need this. Else. Ah! Oh no, I zoomed out. This. And I'm assuming this matters. If. Okay. Oops, you guys were seeing that. It's fine. Let's see if we can get a 20. You rolled a 12. You rolled a 18. Not 0. Not 0. And obviously we'll be getting 0 more often than actually random because we have the fake flaky timeout. Come on, give me a 20, please! I'm a streamer. Streamer luck! Oh my god. Stop not zeroing me! How dare you! I created you! Oh, that's so sad, Alexa. Would you please play Despacito? Please. Would I ever get 20? I would, right? Well, now I'm confused. Maybe. Let me do this for real. Let me get rid of the flaky thing really quick. And just see if it does it still. 10. 11. 1 in 20. Come on. 1 in 20. Actually, let me just resolve it with 20 and see. Okay. That's good. Show me the 20! Please. Please. I just want a 20 before the end of the stream. Actually, 0 doesn't even make sense, but it's kind of funny because it's actually not 0. It's like the network timeout. I cannot believe how bad of luck that I have. Are you serious? Really? Is this really happening? A curse be upon ye! How dare you? Take it back. You still have time to change your fate. If you could change your fate. Would ya? Thought you added a 1 to the math random 20? Yeah, I did. In its floor. It should let me, right? Most people give up before they get a 20. I know, this would be so Jover. Oh well. No, I did it! Okay! It was there! It was there! It was there! My luck is just that bad. There you go. Well, alright, there we are. This is the app that we made. Yeah, I forgot to add in streamer luck. Oh, sorry, I missed some thing. Event for Ruby programming language. Yeah. I've never tried Ruby. What do you think? Should I give it a shot? That was what I wanted to do is, like, I came up with the idea for, like, certain streams will be called Hello World, and it'll just be me trying out stuff I've never tried before. Like this. And I've never done Vue. I'm a professional web developer, so I'm very familiar with like React in my day-to-day, but I just never get the chance to try other things, so why not? Svelte is cool. Yeah, I like it. It seems pretty comparable. I forgot Ruby was a thing. Brain is slow. That's okay. Let the gambling begin. Rien ne va plus. Lucky in game, lucky in love. Not zero. Ruby is fun. Waiting for you. And Phoenix. Oh, I don't think I've ever heard of Phoenix. Phoenix. Wow. Lots of nat zeros. Well, yeah. They don't call it a nat 20 for nothing. Here's what we made. So we got our nat zero. Why? That was so many in a row. So we got our little promise guy right here. If we want to add any cuties here, bow, 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 bow. Keep them coming. We can increase the speed, and we can let no speed get slowed down. We have a little counter guy, bow, 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 bow. We have the props with the true. We have the apple being an apple, the banana being a banana, and we have some HTML. Pretty sweet. I like it. That was fun. The multiple zeros. I mean, I did try to make it flaky on purpose 30% of the time. Oops. I collapsed my editor. Thank you guys for coming. This was very fun. We're gonna find somebody to raid. As a reminder, we always have our charity campaign running. We love charity. We're a bunch of charity gamers. I want to see if anybody else is doing more dev stuff. Dev stuff. VTuber? Possibly? Question point. There's some game devs. There's a VTuber that speaks different language than me. Huh? Companion. Web dev. Let's go to enter a new world of clicking. Whoa. Let's do it. Let's enter a new world of clicking. Coffee Tron. I am all here for a coffee Tron. Yeah, thank you guys for coming, and as always, thank you for your time, and it's always really fun to hang out with you guys, and thank you for being open to my random stream whims. I think this was a fun stream. But yeah, I'll be back next Sunday. Sunday is Q day. Call now. Ah! Ended on the tropicals. Oh yeah, I added a thing to my model before we go. If I can make it happen before the time runs out. I did this where I can change the... You can't see it. I did this for St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up. I don't know what I'll do for that. But look at... I don't know if you guys can even see it with the tropicals. My bow is red behind the tropicals. Get out of here, tropicals! Oops. Which one was it? Ah! I'm running out of time! Ah! It wasn't that one! Ah! Was it this one? This one? This one? Ah! I made it so I can change my color on my outfit. Or little bits of colors. Oh no, it's the rain! Ah! Okay, bye. I love you guys. Peace.